नमस्ते बच्चों, हमेशा खुश रहो। माई सेल्फ जेबीएन डॉक्टर मोनिका त्रिवेदी। आई एम फ्रॉम डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ साइंस एंड टेक्नोलॉजी, फैकल्टी ऑफ एजुकेशन एंड मेथोडोलॉजी, ज्योति विद्यापीठ, वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी, जयपुर. Students, today's topic is factor affecting rate of reaction or rate constant. So, the factor which affect the rate of reactions are temperature, concentration of reactant, catalyst, surface area of solid reactant, and pressure of gaseous reactant or a product. First, as you know that at high temperature, the reactant molecules have more kinetic energy and they move faster and collide more often with a greater energy. Okay, so this can be described by the collision theory and a kinetic theory. According to collision theory, when a two chemical react with each other, or their molecule have collide with each other in a particular orientation with sufficient energy from the reaction to take place. In kinetic energy, there is an increase in the temperature means that the molecules move faster. The concentration affects the rate of reaction. As the concentration of a reactant increases, the reactant molecule collide more often. Next, the catalyst speed up the reaction by lowering the energy of activation energy. Next is the surface area of a solid reactant. There is a more surface area for a reactant to be collide or to be contact with each other. The last one is the pressure of gases, reactants or a product. When the number is increases, the collision number is also increases. The next is the reaction rate. In this reaction, the concentration of a butyl chloride C4H9 H9Cl was measured at the various time intervals. Here you can see the time and the rate of reaction. Okay, so the average rate of the reaction over each interval is change in a concentration dividing by the change in a time. Okay, here you can see the average rate is equals to del concentration of C4H9 divided by del T. Now you can see here that the average rate decreases as the reaction proceeds. This is because as the reaction goes forward, there are a fewer collision between reactant molecules. So, if you plot a graph between the concentration and the time, you can find out the rate of reaction for particular time. So, the reaction slow down with the time because the concentration of the reactant decreases. Here you can see. Okay, and in this reaction, the ratio of C4H9Cl to C4H9OH is 1:1. Thus, the rate of disappearance of C4H9Cl is the same as the rate of appearance of C4H9OH. So, here you can see the rate of disappearance of C4H9Cl by del T is equals to the formation or appearance of C4H9OH by del T. The next is a rate law. What is a rate law? Each reaction has its own equation that express its rate as the function of the concentration of of the involved species like a reactant, product, and catalyst. So this is called its rate law. Okay. So the rate law in general, the rate of a reaction increases as the concentration increases. Since there are more collision occurs between the reactants, the overall concentration depends on the reaction rate is for given as a rate law or a rate expression. For a reaction, follow the simple rate law.